So today I need to change the engine oil. Actually, I just bought this Yacht, and the previous owner recommended I change it as soon as possible. Most probably it been down for the season. So what I have here, I got this electric pump, first time to use. It's called Ultimate Speed. We'll see. Thing is, this need to go maximum to the bottom of the tank, and we connect it to the in, just like this. And this is the other tube. Most probably I will use one big empty jerry can, because I know this is Volvo Penta D2-55. I believe it's 2.2 liter, and the oil is almost 9.5 liters. Okie dokie. Okay, now we finished pumping out all the oil. Time to change the oil filter. Normally what we do, we put this plastic bag around, and as soon as it's free we pull it out and keep it inside the bag. Just like this. Next step, we make sure that it is clear from oil. It will be dripping for a while, not too much. Now we need to put a little bit oil just on the ring and the thread. Make sure everything here is clean. Normally we suck the oil from the suction tube, not from the dipstick. Now time to add new oil. As recommended, I always use the Volvo Penta original engine oil. Bit expensive, but will save you later on. This engine, as per manual, take almost 9.5 liters. It's 2.2 liter. I mean 2200 cc's. It's 55 horsepower. We go slow. So this is the first 5 liters. Let's go and check the oil level. Still not even showing. This is almost 8 liter. I will double check. It's almost here, and the oil filter is still empty. So as soon as we run the engine, almost 0.2 liter or 0.3 liter will go inside, so engine level will drop. I better add 1 more kilo, 1 more liter. Now it is above the middle. We'll let it to set down a little bit, then restart the engine, leave it to cool down, and we double check again. So after we start the engine, we came to check everything is correct. Everything is looking fine. Stop the engine. It's been almost 10 minutes since we switch off the engine, so let's check oil level again. Just perfect in the middle. Success. This is how you change the oil for Volvo Penta D2-55, equipped on Bavaria 39 feet, 2006. See you next time.